Good afternoon, February the 24th, 2015. We came in today as buyers. We didn't think Yellen's testimony was going to do anything to hurt the stock market. The initial reaction to Yellen's speech was negative, but you can see the market came back readily and pretty quickly. So our first trade came off the software. You got a letter B underneath that bar. That's a winning trade. Here's a retest failure right here. The market comes down. It's got the green dot on it. That's a winning trade right there. Here's another software generated trade with a letter B underneath it. This produces a winner. The market trades up to here. This buy right here was a loser. There's no trade off the sell. We didn't violate that bar's low. Now this is a reverse retest failure trade. This was resistance. It's now support. The market retest that price point right there and it holds, so you're long in this area. Produces a winner. Software generated trade right here. Your stop's got to be a minimum of 3 ticks above that bar's high, so you're short right down here when you break that bar's low, but you do not stop out. And it produced a nice winner. Either one of these S's produced a nice winner. And the market starts to hold and trade its own. Here's a nice retest failure right in here that sets up and gives you a winner. But prior to getting to that, we've got this B right here, which is clearly a loser. And this S, if you'd taken that S trade, would have been a scratch. Could have been a loser depending on how long you stayed with it. Retest failure produces a nice winner. Nice, beautiful retest failure over here. You got a green dot that tells you got the trade as small winner. Nice retest failure right here that produces a great trade up to the top side. So 13 trades, 2 clear losers, 1 break even. That puts us in at about 70%. That's about what we bat. On the low side, 60%. Sometimes when we get hot, sometimes when the market does nothing but trend all day, we can get it close to 80%. So we're right at 70% plus or minus when the day's all said and done. So we had a good day of trading. In our assessment early in the morning at 6:45 Central was correct. Yellen wouldn't say anything that would hurt the stock market, so we were buyers. Find out more about us, come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At your site, you'll get an overview of the software, how it works live in real time, and our trading methodologies based on this software. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.